Good morning, students. Today we start the revision exercise of chapter number 9, that's sequence and series, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. In which the question number 1 is show that the sum of the m plus n and m minus n. So we have given sum of m plus n and m minus nth term is equals to twice the sum of nth term. So we prove the sum of m plus n and m minus nth term is twice the sum of nth term. So first we write a m plus n. As we know in AP the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d and m minus n. So it's a plus m minus n minus 1 into d. When we add these two terms, this is 2a, this is m plus n minus 1 plus m minus 1 n minus 1 into d. So this is 2a, so this n is cancelled out. This is 2m minus 2 into d. Take 2 common. This is m minus 1 into d. Take 2 common. A plus m minus 1 into d. So this is the mth term. This is the answer of question number 1. In question number 2, the statement is if the sum of the three numbers in AP is 24, let the three numbers in AP. Three numbers are a minus b, a plus d. We have the sum of these three numbers which is equals to 24. So d is cancelled out. 3a is equal to 24, so a is equal to 8. And we have also the product of numbers. Product of number is 440. This is 440. So put the value of a, b, a plus d, 440. This is the identity a minus b, a plus b, which is a square minus b square. Divide this, so 64 minus d square. This is 8540, 8540. So 65 minus 55 equals to d square. D square equals to 9. D is equal to plus minus 3. So a is 8, d is 3. The first number is 8 minus 3, which is 5. The second number is 8. Third number is 8 plus 3, 11. When we take d is minus 3, the first number is a minus d. So this is minus plus 11. The second number is 8. Third number is 8 minus 3, 5. So 11, 8 and 5 are the three numbers of the AP. In sum number 3, the statement is if the sum of n, 2n and 3n terms of AP be S1, S2, S3. This means Sn is S1, S2n is S2, S3n is S3. So we are required to prove S3 is 3, S2 means S1. This is the proof. So first we write S1. S1 is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is S1 of AP. So this is S1 is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And S2 is, this is 2n upon 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. This is S2. And S3 is 3n upon 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. This is question number 3. So the left hand side of the question is S3, and we write first RHS 3, S2 means S1. put the value of S2. S2 is 2n upon 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d, and S1 is minus n upon 2. This is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is 3. When we take n upon 2 common, this is n upon 2 common, this is 4a, 4, this is 2, 2n minus 1 d, this is 2a n minus 1 into d. When we solve this, this is 3n by 2, 4a minus 2a is 2a, plus this is 4n minus 2 minus n plus 1 into d. So this is 3n upon 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. This is S3. This is the left hand side of the equation. This is the solution of question number 3. In question number 4, the statement is find the sum of all numbers between 200 and 400 which are divisible by 7. This means after 200, the number which is divisible by 7 is, as we know, when we divide 200 by 7, this is 7, 2, this is 20, this is 14, so this is again 6. So when we divide 206 by 7, this is not 206, 201 is not divisible, 202 is not divisible. So when we divide 203, 203 is 203. When we divide this by 7, 7 to 14, 6, 7, 9. So 203 is the first number. After this 210, and after this 217, and the last one is we divide 400 by 7, 7 5 35, 5 50, 7 7 49. So remainder is 1. This means 399 is the number which is divisible by 7. So in this AP, the first term is 203, and we are required to find the sum, and D is 210 minus 203, which is 7. So sum is Sn, which is first we find n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here first we find n. For n we use a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we are not required to use this formula. We use just only first an. In this an is 399, a is 203 plus n minus 1, b is 7. So this is 399 minus 203 n minus 1 into 7. When we subtract it, this is 691 divided by 7 n minus 1. So 7 to 14, 7 8. So 29 is the n. And we use Sn, n upon 2 a plus an. So n is 29. This is 29 upon 2. First term is 203 plus 399. So we add this. This is 29 upon 2. This is 12. 9, this is 10, 3, 6. So multiply this, you get the answer of this question. Thank you.